Hello Stickies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lorena and today I presenting you our new subscription kits for Hobonichi planners. I have the 3 sizes available, the weeks, the A6 which is the Techo original, or the A5 which is the Techo Cousin. Let's see our first one, which is the Hobonichi weeks. The Hobonichi weeks comes with a monthly page, the boxes for the monthly, your weekly page, your boxes for your weekly, and your dashboard. I like to include the dashboard option in the weeks because at the end of a planner you can find these notes pages. The notes pages are normally we don't use them, but this is to encourage you to try to write notes at the back of your planner. As well, we including 2 beautiful journaling sheets. These are in washi paper, perfect for layering. As well, we include the 2 die cuts. These are random. I got different models and I just pick whatever 2 is coming. And of course we will include as well A5 sleeve for easy storage. This is what you can find in your Hobonichi weeks subscription. Let's move into the Hobonichi A6 original Techo. This one includes 1 monthly page, your boxes for your monthly page, your sidebar, some flags, some icons, some washi. As well, we're including the weeks, your boxes with your icons, and some extra boxes for the weeks. These 3 pages are especially designed for the A6 supplement, which is a weekly supplement that comes separate from the A6. As well, we will include your dashboard for the beginning of the month. We will include your headings and your time strips for your dailies. Bottom washi, which is especially designed for those people that don't like the scripts at the bottom of a planner, so you can cover them. This one is small top washi, and some dividers, some strips dividers, some boxes, and some extra flags, some extra boxes too. As well, we have include 2 beautiful journaling sheets. These are A5 size, so you got plenty to decorate your planner. We include as well 2 beautiful die cuts and your pouch for easy storage. This is what is included in your A6. Now we're moving on into the A5 Hobonichi Cousin subscription kit. This one is obviously bigger because the planner is an A5 planner. We are including in this kit your monthly, your boxes for the month, your sidebar, your month, your flags, little icons, your weekly, your boxes, your icons that I've drawn it myself, some to-dos, some extra boxes, your dashboard for your month, your daily headings, and some scripts that I include, a part of the strips, and some icons and flags. then your bottom washi, your top washi, your dividers, your boxes, and some extra boxes. So you got plenty to decorate your planner. Then we obviously include the journaling sheets in washi paper. We include as well 2 die cuts. They are random, remember, and your pouch. This is what is included in your subscription kits. These subscription kits are working in this way. At the moment, for January, our subscriptions are open. Every first of the month we open for subscriptions. The closing day is on the 25th of each month. Then we prepare everything and we send out on the first week of the following month all the kits to you, and you will receive them with plenty of time to decorate your planner for January. So as a recap, we are open now for January subscriptions. We're closing this January subscription on the 25th of every month. On the first week of November, we send them out. Then you receive them, especially ready on time and very ahead for you to pre-plan and get ready for January 2026. Thank you very much for supporting us. We're really excited about these subscription kits because it's the very first time we're doing it. Please like if you enjoy this content, subscribe, and I'll see you soon, Stickies.